Fact 1. Otters are one of few animals known to use tools. They use stones to crack open shells. Fact 2. Otters sleep holding hands in groups, called rafts, to avoid drifting away. Fact 3. Otters love to play. They're often seen doing backflips, sliding, and chasing each other. Otters play a crucial role in maintaining healthy river ecosystems by controlling populations of crabs and crayfish. Otters, with their unique habits and playful nature, continue to surprise and delight us, reminding us of the wonders of nature.